All right, so now that we're done sewing on all the body parts, this is what we should be left with. And now we're going to attach some hairs just right at the center there between the ears. So you're going to take either 2 or 3 strands of the darker yarn that you used for the nose. Snip those off. Then you're going to fold them in half. Insert your hook right between the 2 ears. Pull the yarn through, and then you're going to just tie it off like that. Tighten it. And then you'll do the same thing with the second strand. You go from the other direction. Hook that on. Pull it through. You want to kind of tighten them in opposite directions so it doesn't look like just one big strand. Pull them as tight as you can. Then you're just going to snip off some excess, leaving a little bit of length above the head. It's up to your preference, however much you want to leave. And then you'll have that little tuft of hair right between the ears. And you can do 3 if you'd like, or you can not do it at all if you don't like it. It's completely optional. Then there's your finished pig.